Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off developer mode on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you're going to, of course, just open up your settings first. So you can just swipe up and find your settings. Or if you don't see it there, you can swipe down from the top right, and there is that settings icon. Now, from here, we need to check to see if developer mode is first turned on. To be able to see that, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and you should see developer options at the bottom. This indicates that it is turned on. To be able to disable it, we can just hop in here, and you can see at the very top developer options. All we need to do is toggle this off, and now it will disable developer options. You can see I'm still in here. However, if I hit the back arrow, now under About Phone, that developer options is now missing, and now it is disabled on your Android phone. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.